Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. We're currently coming to a very important moment. It's very thrilling. This elections in the United States that will take place on the 8th of November. As you can see, currently the situation stands still quiet, so nothing really drastic action we see. Although the spike up on Friday, the opinion are differ on this the reasons of that rally. So I personally think that this is due the consumption spending. It's part of the gross domestic product that has been released a bit worse than it could be, and 2 times worse than in the second quarter. And due to these weak numbers of the consumption spending that takes approximately 2/3 of the gross domestic product in the United States, this was the negative sign. That's why the reaction on positive numbers in general, so you know, the 2.9% of gross domestic product in the third quarter, this really was better than expected. It was a bit negative, and mostly due to the poor consumption. Some people think that this is because of the new scandal on the Hillary Clinton, some emails. So it's another page in this long journey with this scandal. But I think that's mostly due to the numbers of gross domestic product, because this action has started precisely when the numbers have been released. But as you can see, even these numbers haven't led to a really significant rally. In general, market shows very choppy and gradual smooth action to the upside. This tells us a very important thing, that as market has no real signs of thrust and upside impulse, this is the retracement. This is just a reaction on the strong support in the weekly chart, because as we have estimated a couple of weeks ago, and this recent drop that was in September, market has reached weekly confidence support and weekly oversold. Since upward action is gradual, it just tells that market shows just the upward retracement. It's reaction on this strong support. Market just shows the respect of this support. No real reversal now stands on the market. This in turn leads us to a very important conclusion, that probably bearish trend should be reestablished, and probably this will happen sooner rather than later, because this retracement is coming to its logical point. We have estimated that we will be watching for 1290 level, where we start to think about taking the short position, and where we will start to watch for reversal patterns on the intraday charts, because this level is more suitable for establishing downward action. From the perspective of bearish market, this level is just perfect to reverse, to end this current retracement and start downward action again. The one thing that we should still talk about is the uncertainty that will increase as we will come closer to election date. And maybe next week maybe will not such impact from the coming elections, but when we're coming after the 4th of November, the next week, this probably will become, situation will become hotter and hotter, and it's probably will start some speculations about the elections, rumors, scandals. All this will bring some nervousness to the markets, and situation could really change. So we should be ready for that. But currently, guys, technical picture stands almost the same as the last week, and market action confirms our suggestion on the nature of of these actions. It's just retracement, and in general, it keeps our analysis valid, that minor bounce should happen, and around 1290 we should watch for reversal patterns. Actually, guys, in the daily chart, as you can see, we have classical bearish continuation pattern that is bearish flag. It's forming here. So on the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have? Speaking on the possible reversal patterns that we will be watching for. Here, guys, we do not have any butterflies, so that could become the butterfly, but as you can see, this bottom is lower than this one. And although market has completed precisely 1618 extension, we can't treat it as a butterfly. The same here, although this could become the butterfly, as you can see, but it's also 1618, but this spike down doesn't let us to treat it as the pure butterfly, because all action should stand inside of the initial swing to call it as a butterfly. Nevertheless, this ratio, 1618, makes us think that if market is really bearish and if our conclusions are correct, the pattern that could be formed here could become the head and shoulders, guys. So this could become the left shoulder, head, starting with the right shoulder, something of that sort. And it means that our major point to watch for will be retracement. So market first should drop down to the neckline, and after that it should start forming with the right shoulder. So for us, the major point to watch for will be 1275 area, when the market will start to form right shoulder, because the top of the right shoulder is most suitable area for thinking about taking the short position. Also, guys, take a look at our initial A, B, C bottom pattern. Mostly 1618 target has been completed here. As you can see, just few cents, market hasn't quite reached it. Well, maybe another spike up will happen to complete this totally, since just a few cents market hasn't reached it. But this is not really important for us. What is really important is the appearing of the bearish reversal pattern, because we can't take the short without this pattern. And that will be our primary object to watch for in the coming week. So that being said, we still stand with our analysis that we posted in our weekly research. Mostly it suggests downward continuation in a medium-term perspective on the gold market, because the deep retracement on the monthly chart is not over yet. It's our position. The Trump victory is a very important moment. We think that the Trump will win, will take the victory on the elections. Some analysis, but we do not have yet clear position what will happen on the markets. Some analysts think that if Trump will win, this will be negative sign for the financial markets, and the gold is no exception, because this will be a step out from the current Democrats' fiscal policy. So the Trump probably will change the overall approach to intrinsic policy to the United States and the external policy. That's the idea. But maybe this will happen, but currently we can't to support this view or to make any arguments against this view. So that's why we just give you the information as it stands among the analysis. So maybe this will happen, but we only think that Trump will win. So on the next week, that being said, we will be watching for reversal pattern on the gold market around our 1290 area, and as soon as we will get it, we will think about taking the short position, if situation will not change based on the uncertainty and the volatility that could come due to the coming elections.